Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can bind pre-recorded videos on your phone with recorded videos that you've just started recording on TikTok. So here I'm just going to select the plus button and I'm just going to record like something random here. Once I'm done, I'm just going to hit the check mark button. And once you're done, you're going to select this bit right here. Also, if you are in this bit, you're just going to press the plus button and now you can add in your pre-recorded videos on here. I'm just going to select this one for instance, press confirm, and I'm just going to press on it and I'm going to slide it either to the right side or the left side. You can place it before or after your recorded video on TikTok, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!